Ma'am, we have already established my name is not Garfield and I'm not no damn house cat. Put me the hell down. Unhand me, you scoundrel. What is wrong with you?
Oh my God.
Let's go!
Yes!
Hey. What is the Get out of there.
Welcome back to KFC. How can I help you?
Yeah, there's a chicken out here.
If I could just grab that flower.
Safe drop. Come on in. Just a little bit further out there. She'll grow up one day.
Come on, boy.
Hey, easy with your hands, buddy. Get out of there. You naughty.
They say you can give your dog an egg, and they know to be gentle with it.
Leonardo, ¿qué chingados haces? No andas peleando con ti mismo. Vete a la chingada. No.
Hi.
Hi.
Playing a game of whack here. What?
You're f***ing lying.
How you doing there, buddy?
I'm doing great, brother.
You are literally chilling with a seal. This seal is sleeping on you, bro.
Fight me, bitch.
Wally, is she farting? Dun. Oh my God.
Delícia, tá? Yes. Koniec?
Dude, what? Easy. Holy shit, dude. Holy shit. Like I say, don't go. You don't want to get in there with that thing, Joseph.
We found this cat in the dog food.
I think my cat's outside. I think I hear her eating. Oh.
poste, je peux vous le rendre, Seigneur, Seigneur, car
Can you pick a card? Yeah! Would you choose? Oh!
Hey, baby.
Here, you can have this chip. Oh. Well, I guess peppermint.
3, 2, 1, fight!
Break! No! Don't break! No! 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 Stop! No! No! Break! No! 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 What? Break! No!
I'm legit being attacked by pigeons.
Yo, what is going on? What is going on? What is this?
Good morning. Look at this box of calves. Good morning, everybody.
Good job, guys. Ouch.
Wait. Hey, bro, you gotta go. You gotta go. Don't go down there. Ah, he died.
That's right. That's how you do that.
Off the step.
You feed them, you raise them, you send them to school, and they're still stupid!
Oh, shit! I mean, if you poke him enough, he'll move. Is he alive even?
Yeah.
Oh, he's pissed. He looked at Can I have that back? Please. Can I have it back? Oh, thank you.
Why the f is Billy Earl on the neighbor's house? He on the roof.
We were cleaning the boat and found this guy getting a drink. Every drop counts.
Gummy? Hey. No. Go. Oh my god. Pippa, no. Pippa, no. Pippa! You're an idiot. No! No! Oh my gosh! Pippa! 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 No! Holy...
Young lady.
I have a hard-boiled egg, and I think Jeff is scared of it. Jeff, it's okay. It's just an egg.
Which is more hilarious? If they knew this would happen, or if they did not.
Dude dropped his phone in the monkey enclosure.
It's my brother's phone, so we'll see if we'll get it back.